Hey cloud enthusiasts, are you tired of juggling resources because of inefficiency or restructuring within your Azure account? Imagine a scenario where you've grown to a point where resource sprawl has hit, making management cumbersome and complicating access management. This often occurs during the expansion of your SaaS-based solution to a broader audience, resulting in increased workloads and complex security configurations. But worry not, for today we are diving into not one, but three powerful strategies to tame this chaos by moving Azure resources to another resource group, as taught by our very own senior cloud architect, Neeraj QZZ, ready to take control. Let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about the migration using Azure Resource Manager modules. Why risk it, right? To move a VM or a few databases, let's script it right with Azure Resource Manager. This automation is not just about moving resources, but doing so securely and efficiently without the hassle. Next, we'll explore Azure's resource lock mechanism, a proactive approach. If you know there are specific resources that need to be grouped closely due to shared configurations or licenses, you can use the reservable capacity or prohibited operations attributes to move them into a single group. This makes access management and billing much more streamlined in our ever-evolving service. Last but not least, if you want to future-proof your setup, consider using Azure Blueprints. It lets you define templates for environments that keep replicating the best practices for resource organization, making the move to another resource group seamless and worry-free. Now, to bring this down to a recap. Whether it's safe script automation, strategic use of lock mechanisms, or the reliability of blueprints, you are well equipped to move your Azure resources to another resource group effectively. Don't forget to visit neeraj.qzz.io to explore more and subscribe to TechLab for the latest tips and tricks on Azure and